Ngithi angeke nje babe nendaba ukuthi usebenze brown wash ama-toilet. Bazofuna nemali le. Angithi
ngathi abazali nje bazothi 20k 5 cows abheka. Hayi bengikhipha ngisima. Zwini ukuthi abantu baye eDubai and be killed on the highest level there at Dubai. If ever leyo mali lena say shitty things happen in Dubai, just say with yo.
Ipower yentombazane le ukuthi okay ngadlalwa abafana. Mara angeke ngivumi ukuthi usithola ngithisi. Fetch your life.
Clinic. Yeah. It's because when you hate the truth to be told when you are not operating anything. We are tengisa. Why don't you go out there and say I'm selling? I'm selling.
So phethwe ikhanda. Let me send you some cash. 10k for ukuthi uphethwe ikhanda. Sasa maybe uthola uzofaka some cash.
Uzolimala. Noke podcast up next. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop, guys, it will be notified, guys. That notification bell is very important, guys. Every time when we drop anything, you'll be notified, guys. As you can see, guys, the team is back. They're not kept today. We are fully in today. People was trying to run away. We're like, hey, chief, what you paying, nigga? So I'm gonna start on my far left to know which is Petupani, Ubani, Wakabani, Wesakandani, and things like that. I started up on Dora.
Yeah, show off it to take a game, local my own type of was in Tombies, Right. Nazi, yes, you guys now shoot to a fit to support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification button so that every time we drop, so you know, comment about it, your comments like they keep us going. None of my phone we ask, or no cap.
It's no cap. We ain't lying here.
Yeah. Ain't lying.
We ain't lying.
Yeah. Let's say be soldier. Let's face sugar.
Yeah.
What impulse nice.
Okay. Yo, but it's your boy. People they hear aka Mama's boy. Yeah. Mama's boy, where were you, man? That thing is your phone, Mama's boy. Mama's boy, don't know. Sketching busy. Yeah, no, Ekrupini, but Mama's boy, I'm not responding. What's that?
And that's told my baby phone, Miss Mabile.
Ay, you're cooking. Hi. My parents but I couldn't put it in court. Yeah.
Man, like, when I could make.
That's no man phone and you have vibrate and a good answer and shiny bomb. You pick Okay, guys, I got a question. While Cesar ringing in the phone. Okay, for an example, let's say when people work, you guys are busy, operating on the highest level, right? If one my car, what do you do? I'm gonna start with you.
I don't care. Really, I don't.
But then,
like sometimes son of operator mailing is spanning. So you would say 5-10 minutes with him. I operate
until you're done.
Yeah. Sebenza ubale.
What are you saying, bro?
Yeah, even I mean whether we are no cap. Uzobila mangqeda. Cause like umntana abantu mele ngenzeka imshare phela ezinye izinto zibathena off. Ufika kasekho kumuntu. You get so ezinye izinto.
Yeah. And then when I'm done, you thought they were coming to you.
Please all for me, let's talk.
Yeah.
Why they not pay before?
Okay.
Why? Cause they need to. Why they not pay before now?
Yeah.
Guys,
Portla.
Okay, sharp. Ukana ngike ngazama khona ukuthi ngiphendule ifoni. Yo, wengakhulumeki. Like ngazama.
What do you mean mama could make us? Already gone calling you baby.
It's all of my
like yo, what?
Until the first one.
Yeah.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Obviously phela.
Okay.
Sakithi phela mangabe like Sugui
on the level operating.
So manje Okay, stop. Bese ngize ngithi suka ngifone. Ngayibamba. Athi ngiphendulile. Ngiphendulile ne. Bathi. Yeah. Oh, ngiphendulile ngathi hello. Yo after hello. Umuntu ubhizi uyakhuluma.
Yeah.
Khulumeke ngisheke.
Yabo.
Mina ngenyathi sithona.
Yeah.
Ngikwazile ukuyena ngingayanzi nakhona bengekho busy benginayo imbheke emehlweni. Ngiyanze bekuhard yo. Ngiso answer mabuyi umuntu sekakwatile udobile.
People right. I don't wanna lie, guys. Like, yo, it's very tricky, especially if you're operating. Then somebody calls. Like, yo, like, alright, you can't leave someone hanging, bro. Like, how do you even speak? And is this guy too busy? You know, the V8 engine is busy performing on the highest level.
No.
So they just have to understand, which, you know what, if especially if you or maybe they must just check with, you know, after 5 minutes I have to call.
I'm morning a pendulum phone after, like, if you get back to you, my living calls. So listen to my phone. So I pendulum.
So I have a question, guys. There, you know me, I always come with some questions. Cooking on the highest level.
Yeah.
So guys, do you think ilobola is still a thing? Like, to go and pay lobola, or else right now, as like Dimples, you're in a relationship and everything. As long as you and your partner love each other, that's it. We don't have to go to your home affairs or whatever to get like a marriage certificate and whatnot. As long as I love my partner. Or else, to show, you know, the appreciation, bazali and whatnot, you have to go there and say, yo, here's some cows. I'm here for your daughter and everything. What's your take in terms of?
I mean, I feel like I'm a last one, like I'm a civil. The technology has changed, but it's civil. Calling the doing emails by the year. And then, when I go to say, send go CP stage, you love it, put a ring on it, the wall of land, telling in young. This is long as I give. But for me, not personally, I feel like I've seen things
like to pay the water.
Yeah, cause like you never know what umuntu ucabanga or uvuka afila kanjani every day, especially with the scat set someone. Asaphili kule yabona those days kama makho no baba. We bobon people yabo. So manje.
Wait. When you say nowadays, ne? Like what are you referring like as like is it do you have like a right age where you can say you can marry when you reach a certain age?
I won't say good mean reach a certain. People get married by naboma 20 then they last. Abanye bayashada banaboma 40. Like kuya ngokuthi wena ezumuntu inekusebenzela. Mina personally angeke izingisebenzele. Angazi I have like zero trust issues. Like I feel like mele siphile angazi.
Wait. Done. Let's go back. Let's rewind. You are saying you have a zero trust kumuntu, like how what do you mean?
Cause like
kumuntu kanjani, because you love your person.
No, people change. You know, sometimes you think you know that
yeah.
And then sorry to say it, but we situation here it is okay. It's tricky. Namhlanje data nomuntu you sure ukuthi lo thanda amantombazana like 100%. Maybe if you need a misunderstanding, uhlangana nokuthi she takes boys, I be like I was bored. Why you get so yilezo zinto lezo ezincane for me nezenza ukuthi as much as I wanna marry someone ngiyamfuna umuntu ozobiza isibongo sasekhaya like ngiyayifuna really I want that for myself, but akusi into engavuka ngidecide ukuthi you know sesina 10 years is job. I think they understand. But we should do right by people. But for me, personally, maybe patient.
But Ndwana, you sound like you don't fully trust your person. For you to say you
no, it's not about trust. It's
not about trust.
And when I was still betray. So it's not about me trusting you, eh? It's about how we move. Yabona like ezinye izinto kancane kancane uyabonakala nomuntu ukuthi like like ngisho ukuthi umuntu uyathola ukuthi makakwatile she takes boys. Actually I was bored. I hate when ngiyenze so. Why mele kube nomfa so ngitshe ukuthi wena ubone leyo muntu nje umuntu ongamthela inyongo.
Yeah, lapho that.
No, some of us are grinding like real hard for our life. Then Sasa, I marry you. I've achieved maybe 70% of whatever I wanted to achieve in life. Then, like, ngiyashabalala just because mina ngibonile ngathanda ngabona ukuthi wena uyizulu lami nomhlaba. No, it's not that. Kancane patient.
Yeah. Ntwana? So you are saying that people must stay paid?
Yeah, no ball mfethu.
So kulabo bantu bathi hayi phela lobola is more like sathengiselwa these days. Standara kahle mina no.
But lezo zinto it's for small boys mawuzothi manokuthi bayakuthengisa kini no. You show appreciation. That's why sometimes ilobola liya ngokuthi uzothola ukuthi bafike bathi we charge maybe 80,000 for mawubuza bathi ufundile.
But I have a problem with that. I-education ingenaphi?
Yeah, ngokuthi masithola sibuzana
ku ukuthi naloyo muntu you going to build something akusumuntu nje.
But what do you mean? Ithando nje.
Wasifika sibuzana ama-answer nama-question.
Okay, umzali being proud of whoever mzalini uba like njengoba uyithatha le dynamite yakho.
Yeah.
Like achieve into engakaze ngiyicabange. Let's say Simphiwe is the first one efamily ubuya ne-degree endlini. Then when you wanna take Simphiwe, no. And ilobola qedwa hayi ukuthi mabathi 80,000 when you pay 80,000 and uze to smakade no. Ilobola qedwa.
I hear you, but like you see, putting education kwindaba ithando, that's one thing that I don't get it. Yeah, because like, beside Ntwana, uyamthanda umuntu wakho.
Yeah.
Uyamthanda like fucked up. Yeah. So why what does education have to do with anything like nethando?
It has to do with everything.
What masithi angeke ngibuze ukuthi baby what is plus one?
And beside people, do you know ukuthi intsagone there are some people who go to school which bayofunda babe ne degree babe what but they are not invested when it comes to looking for a job or anything. Just umuntu ayazi ukuthi hayi
no so umuntu oyenza into atsheliwe ekhaya ukuthi ngifuna ukufunda into kanje. Angeke kube nothando for whatever. You know mina ngikho esikoleni because angifuni ukuba sesikoleni.
Yeah, you.
Even ngiyambona mama miphupho like ungibona ngiyivarsity and stuff. Angifuni because I believe it's me ngiphumelele.
Yeah, because mostly our parents wants to live what they felt to live while they were still young and everything. So bafuna ukuphila whatever. Yes. Experiences.
That's why some
which is
they
wrong.
Don't even make it to
Which is wrong.
third or second year, of course. Right?
Which is wrong. According to me, I believe ukuthi umzali, you must support whatever your child wants to pursue. That's the best parents that I can say. Understand? But not ukuthi wena
aeroplane support.
Yes, you'll never know because abanye, you see, we are saying a kid can say I want to build an aeroplane while angazanga esikoleni. Angibona umunye ubuild like yabona amatrat imoto zematrat wa build like angazi ukuthi beyi-Ferrari bekuyini until they saw that thing by trainees and whatnot. Then angazi Ferrari or Lamborghini came and took that boy to the school that side. Kunabanye abantu like math wise I can't, but designing in here I'm good. Like I'm very good. Ngibonisa amazenke ukuthi yeah, exactly. Ngibonisa amazenke ukuthi ukhatha dizi uya welda lana I can design something else. Exactly. Uyangithola. Oh ngiyakutshela ukuthi no le moto lena iyakhona instead ukuthi ibe la phambili kumele ibe phezulu because le moto, do you understand? So there are like some kids who are bad like that. Don't know what to take on lobola.
Mina nemalobolo ngiyavumelana nawo right at the same time angivumi. It's like amaITK1 bafethu sijola sithandana kamnandi.
Yeah.
Ekhathini zamanje
That's what I'm getting.
Mama ebantwini
Yazi le
abaningi
khona
manje bahleli nabantu babo akashada. Bizi sibongo somuntu bahleli bathanda
Yabona mina for me that's a boy. Mfana. Exactly. Isiko. That's why it's asinayi
ngoba sekuyisesikhathi samanje
ngizokhiphisa ama 80,000 yiwe amfebela amthelo yini yahlanya ngiwanda.
You have to lobola lengane so that the ngane azobiza usithola.
Yeah, how much damages I can pay?
I hear you.
Then pay for your person.
I mean, I don't wanna lie. Like when it comes to education wise, attaching nendaba yellow gola.
okay lapho bayagagamela
Yeah, that's where I don't get it.
Now
Of course, you can buy it.
Even though ayifaki ke education athi 80,000 you marry.
Mina ngizombuza 80,000 yani. Mangangitshela into engizizwa.
Yabo yani then ufuna ukufaka i-degree umzali.
Nakhona ntsako ne. Nakhona you can't charge me 80k knowing ukuthi mina I'm a hustler. Ngithengisa amatamati estratini. Ngishaya popopopo mangijika lana.
Yabona sithole mawugibela yini lento ye sky what leyo ukuthi bakehlise ngentamo.
Yeah.
Uya kuyo ngoba wazi ukuthi unamandla okwehla uzenzansi ngentamo. So if wena awukwazi ukuthi manje ngalomkholo wami engihola ngithi asami ngifuna ukuyovela kini then kini mabathi ba 4,000 then ngibe like no mina ngihola 4,000
no I hear you ntwana.
Sasa vuka uyolobolele.
I hear you ntwana. Remember ukuthi the reason I went to your parents and asked for your hand in marriage is because I respect your parents and I want to do right by you.
So push aqala then you do right because awukwazi ukusetela limit ukuthi they can't go above 50,000 because when you are a hustler. You said you can do it. Mawuqala sokuthi you know some commitments are big guys. If you need ngifuna ukuhamba nawe kumele ngilindele noma yini ezozendleleni yami la ukuthi wena ngize ngikuthele nginyongo yakwamabusi.
Besides nanemali neinkomo ezibele banisana ukucela ukutshela ukuthi ufuna inkomo ezi10.
Uyabo ya complain still ufuna
inkomo 10k one is 15k. Inkomo yo mina bafetha.
Asingalahli namasiko.
Ukushada ngizoshada abangazi mhlazana ukwezinto.
Okay uzobona khona ukuthi lobolo libalulekile.
Awasabla lapho ngizobe ngibamba.
No leyo
I feel like
I hear you. Yeah, yamasiko and whatnot. I hear you, ne? But like I'm saying parents must not overprice just because ibona bayenza ukuthi education and what.
Okay.
Firstly,
yini limit yakho ukuthi they should lay imali emele bayicharge kulobola.
No, hear me out. Let me cook, ne?
Cook.
A limit must be based on what kind of a job do you do.
Okay, job ingenaphi if education ayingeni down.
Anithi job hiyo ilethi imali na. But now I'm not saying ukuthi I'm going to take your kid's salary or else uDimpulsa akusamelanga asupporta kini the way like how she used to do. No, I'm not saying that.
That's why Ntsako bekathi qaleni angeke uzovuka kusasa uthi no siphenya ngemanje ngiyolobola kini kumele uqale save ekhaya.
Angeke
uyahamba phela
ufika ku-80k.
Silenza ungenda
bawugibela into high
uthi uwasha ama-toilet esikoleni
uzoyehla lento. So wonke ama-battles anisibathi choose your battles wise. Wena uyathatha ufuna ukuyolobola ingane yakho. Le yimpo ozikhethele yona kumele uqine nawe beyindoda phakathi kwaleyo mpileyo ulwele what's rightfully yours, what you believe kahle it's rightfully yours.
Ngithi angeke nje babe nendaba ukuthi usebenze brown wash ama-toilet bazofuna nemali le
angithi abazali nje bazothi 20k 5 cows abheka yo bengikhipha ngisima wena 20,000 inkomo ezi5 apha.
Okay, imali
80,000 anginanda ukuthi imali mara at least ayingikhame ngalo ndlela.
50 something inkomo ezi5 zama futhi inkomo zama kuma 13 15 la. Let's estimate sithi inkomo 15,000 ezi2 is 30 another 2 is 60 65 plus yona leyo 20,000 imali
esikhathini sakudala ukuthola ngeinkomo ezi11. So when you count the 12 before you ukuthi
ngizobatshela mhlala nayo
phela uyazi ilobola can negotiate.
Mina angcono
bayabeka price bakhale maybe basho ukuthi okay since sithi 100,000 wena uthi 70 80,000 that's
okay back in the days there was a lot of lobola negotiation happening. What do you think would see these days manje angiphila amalobola, because we see a lot of single mothers manje abantu ba survive ngegrant ya garama billion like
thinking you know girls thinking in amatombatana. I don't blame boys.
Okay. Yeah.
You know why? When amantombazana you tend ukuthi feel ukuthi okay since ngihlane nesithole is the one. Sithole ufuna uyabo ufuna ukuzehlisa to sithole, you want to do whatever for usithole, then usithole kanti akakuboni ezilento leyo. Wena ngithi so uzibonele sithole uzibonele umjido no, nawe ezintombazane zehlise phila grand until you know ukuthi you know I feel like I found ungaphileli kulomhlaba lo. Everyone is good bafethe incwadini zabantu. If manje ngihlangana nawe sithole uthi yazi time right emehlweni, but I never know ukuthi ucabangani. You can't trust umuntu, so ipower yentombazane le ukuthi okay ngadlalwa abafana mara angeke ngivumi ukuthi usithola ngithisi and ukuze usithola nyaka zakumithisi hate your life clinic.
Yeah.
Like it's up to you ukuthi wena ugcina uyini kusasa, like really it's up to you. Yabo umfana uhlala umfana, and trust me ngizokuthengisela izulu mina if I want whatever ngifuna ku, even if it's for 5 months 9 months, as long as ngizothola whatever that I want. So it's up to you.
But you mentioned something very important when you say ladies are the ones who are making the steps. There's no future here. But like, and another thing, they say ladies don't know what they are poor. Only boys who realize what
yeah.
Ladies, but wrong. Should people? I'm not broke. People, it just doesn't tell no people. Yeah, I'm not born. You must understand. You know what? I'm broke. Let me operate something on the highest level, which is it just I'm right in life, just that I have a wrong partner. What about you? What are you doing with your life? So which manje? On to the next one again.
On to the next one. Yeah, when you let the lefana look at Nigeria. On to the next one. Yeah, when you let the lefana look date and don't Sasa me tole. You
should man replacement.
So you wanna lose let me send you some cash. 10K for go to pay card. Sasa me uzofaka some cash.
You end
up doing izinto wrong. So life yentombazane ukuthi iturn out iba kanjani ekugcineni, it's up to izandla zakhe.
Yazi, I was watching Open Chats, ne? Open Chat kuna la matomazana la beya lapha, they were saying ukuthi okay, Mike is saying ukuthi like all influencers must be honest kuti how are they making their money. Yeah, but say why kumele babe honest. Then there's a young girl out there who think kuti makeup in whatever you can stay in Santini, Leonardo building with the very expensive one, that this driver this. So they are not saying kuti yo I'm operating the tender levels with the party people, whatever. It's either your ANC or your DAs or your whatever, understand? So those girls, just because Nabo, they're on that line, you bottle girls, which Amapola is gonna take you home and smash and then give you a certain cash. They were busy defending with no, he hate women. No, it doesn't hate women. It's because when you hate the truth to be told when you are not operating anything. We are telling you, sir. Why don't you go out there and say, I'm selling?
No, I'm selling.
You get
it's none of your business. We are saying how much. Why madam?
Influencer when most abantu babukele ku.
That's where
when ukuthi ubukele kubo, it's just that angeke usicheke ukuthi ngibukele kini, but babukele ku and sasa ngiyakubona ukuthi uDlungu vele wabeka iphone la
What's he makeup or I'm starting whatever.
Up with million followers just for ukuthi uthe wenza makeup. Nami kusasa I want to do it. Ngifuna ukwenza lento uZungu ayenzayo because we influencer.
I think that thing
influence people.
Dimples is very, very dangerous because bro, once you are in front of a camera, right? It's not just you and you are in front of a camera. You are in front of millions and millions of people who are watching the show. We were busy celebrating which we have clocked 400 views.
Yeah.
Those are 400 human beings watching you. You must know which a view is a person. So now we have like close to 400 people watching you. Well, now you are saying which you know what, you can just do your makeup and whatnot. And then girls does that. Only to find out which there's a lot that you're doing behind the scene. Why can't you say with me now I'm dating this person, but I have my small business laying push away.
Side hustle angasho angaphela sesegcilana ukuthi no ngiyahamba ngiwe ubhottle gela phan makufika umuntu omdala ngabe naye no benanthanda ukuthi nje side hustle
No,
influencer serious
but intwana
usinvite empilweni zabo masifuna ukuba nesave empilweni zabo then they be like ungenaphi asivelanga sasithola
sizwile ukuthi abantu baye eDubai and be killed on the highest level there at Dubai. If ever leyo mali lena say shitty things happen in Dubai, just say with yo, I went there to Dubai. Ningakhaleli ukuthi sise Dubai. This is what is happening. Exactly. That's why your similar situations happens. Ba recruit abantwana kanti ba scam abantwana bathi, do you understand? Once you are any influencer, it's your responsibility to tell the truth, the Dimples.
And inviting media to your space. And the media may say.
Because the more they watch, the more you get the revenue. So what they say?
You get. So if it's us and people will ask why no, media to my space. I have to handle the media and the shit goes.
Forced to guys angisho ukuthi like nemele bangasho okay ezushilo so ukuthi no mele asho umuntu ukuthi no akusi makeup kuphela engenzele imali makangasho phela izinto zakhe personal ukuthi no man ngithole imali ye-HIV for example man ukuthi imali ye-HIV thayiselile la ukuthi khona ngizokwazi maybe ukuthenga lezi zinto enginazo nani yabo mele asho nje ukuthi uyahasila side hayi ukuthi amtshele ukuthi no bafethu ngine HIV ngithola imali no.
Yeah, but like what we need to know ukuthi ntwana ne tell us ukuthi guys makeup yam can pay the rent where I'm staying. What is it? But don't say ukuthi wena utira nge-makeup kuphela because these influencers saying ukuthi thina ngapha iBBL bayasho ukuthi it's 100 and something ngapha uneBBL ngapha hayibo nanga umuntu uneBBL. And then from makeup, or from just being a bottle girl to BBL to where you stay. Come on.
It's specific.
Yes, it's specific.
It's specific in life.
Yeah, she can say, I'm operating the tennis level.
Business, don't put your business
out there. Yes. Because I will want to know. Okay guys, another topic that I would like to ask, right? Which have you ever been scammed? Life, have you ever been scammed? Sisi kungu
yeah, but man, I should say.
Okay, exactly.
I'm just totally.
Yeah.
We never like. Full time and the same. Intend to prove.
Yeah.
I think they intend to prove point. If like property is here, I
wanna be there.
You know. So yeah, fast forward the pride, you know, my towers level, so it's.
So it towers.
Babies and babies.
Chief pose.
A chaff pose.
Yeah.
Pride is saying, bring my phone to Samsung A10.
Yeah,
A10, A03 core. Yimle yangaphethe wonke, phethele ne-side bag, siyagroove and all. Mamele sibuye size ekhaya abantu bathi second location, Middlelands.
Sasa team ye-Pride.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sisuka lapha sonke ukuthi laba kumele baye endlini, but laba bebasele up until I think around 8.
Like abantu ababambile abanye.
Bazovala i-chaff pose. Omunye athi asambe take it because bekumuzi leyo besikulu.
Okay.
Double story wise nyana. We go there nabangani bami. Sakuba ebusuku with the on. Yabo. Nasiyavaya second location abanjani kumnandi, and I still have my phones because masifika lapha because bekuyinto I feel like yabona ustodi like I think umjito elathi asambeni masifika lapha yavele bengibambile so mangibambile silale nalokho lesilele sofeni bekahlele phezulu
ntakiwe ngalesikhathi
because angifikanga ngagroove lapha mina ngifike ngazilalela.
Okay.
Ekseni masivuka
ntakiwe from Chef Pose.
Masifika mina nalogelo bengimbambile sifike salala
Okay.
Sahlabana kancane. Sifike salala esofeni yabo. Ekseni siyavuka amajita wana malokugibela. Anemalokugibela from it's either siya from Middlelands to Bara, then sibambe taxi size ekhaya or sibambe taxi from Middlelands to Bara, then masifike Bara abanye abanganamali because besithula banemali yokugibela ukuya ekhaya. So qala uvele washiya decide ukuthi siya from la or decide sigibele taxi from Middlelands. I think we're about 9. That time wazosigibelisa ngama 10 rand because beku ya Sunday langa
Yeah.
So I was like ayigibelani ngizonibeka eBara nonke ngifuna 9 rand nama 10 rand. Sikhava ama 10 rand asibeke eBara. Masifike eBara amajita ibamenye inyawo. Ngithanda ngemateksi ngiyengivele inyawo zami ngibezi. Yabo vele iteki nenkinga yenye mangicela iteki kakhulu yabo. Angifika eBara. Angifika nasemateksi naseFreedom Park. Buza like ama scammers abasebenzisa umuntu.
Yeah, those guys operate.
Ngiyabonga ngitshela kanjani sasungavuka ukuthi hayi intwana bangishaye ngalisa safu ungazi ukuthi kanjani. But you know ukuthi kunento so uyangivala le yamjita lo ya. Makangivala uthi kimi ukuphizo ngithi bengisechaff pose athi hayi izolo umjita nongcolile jita lo yana bathu ba operator bayithu amazi uyakwazi bani khona la inama I think ngathi contain
ngiyabona
ufike emadayisini abamamela ngakhona khona la ngathi ne contain blue omunye like contain but bayadayisa kuna nginasho ukuthi bathengisana bayangivala amjita athi izolo kunama lesbian ashaya amateksi wakithi and uhamba nama 2000 ngizokhomba trust me namhlanje angazi ukuthi nangikhomba yona ngavuma uhamba nami lomjita athi yabo ngathi athi abhalwe kanje ngathi ngiyabona athi sana like you do everything.
Why do you start following the guy?
Ngomkhomba taxi like ingcondo masesibuye ngiyazi ukuthi yini bengiyibona kule taxi bekangikhomba but ngiyibonile lesasikhathi angikhomba yona athi ayasambe lamajita lawa aphula ama taxi asekhaya and ama lesbian and nawo bengigcoke ipink nedenim eblue but bewagcoke ama top pink nama jean. So you have to prove yourself ukuthi ngamampela bonke because mina since ngisechaff pose mangisuke chaff pose ngaye Middlelands angizange ngaze Bara athi I have to prove myself. Ngimina and ungibona ngiphethe ifoni eyi1 ngavula ibag ngathi ngakhomba plus ayi2 ngikhiphela wonke amafoni oyi2 ngamvulela mina ngivulela ama password ngamgana bathi kimi mele bayofaka e-computeni.
Nothing.
Ukuthi i-computer ikhomba ukuthi ayekho ama-picture ngiwadelethile babona ukuthi cause labantu bayabazi. Ngithi asho ngimgana athi nemali yazi ebekini I only had 30 rand 30 something rand and taxi 16 ibuye Bara nomjita wathatha 20 rand yabona ama number abhaliwe lawa phezulu emalini AB ntonto how you understand athi kumele si-trace ngalama number la ukuthi imali yazi fake or angazi wathi ngimi athi kushuthi mangimena ngapha kule container blue ngutshelehle kusaba ngizongila lo munye umekara uthi ya ulayitile lapho lo munye ya ngilayitile bekunestile ne athi gibela phezulu lesitile ume straight ubhekelele ngigibela phezulu ha ngabheka le after 5 minutes ingondo iyabuya usathi gone ngiba like hayi man mangijika ngapha kuma container kuvaliwe akuna ngayizwila ibara ngabuza ama Q marshal ngaba islim yabo ingondo seyasho ukuthi can't be
why ngezinto edomo kanje
and I know the story because days before ngiyaku pride amajita sekasibesa khuluma ukuthi bascam umunye umjita ngekhadi kushuthi omunye umjita la iShoprite la umvalile wathi ngibale kumashonisa uyambona nanya wathi ngicela ungikhiphele imali noma ngibona uzothatha nayiphi wathi ngikushiya uzongishiya ngani kuze ngikuthembe lo mjita wamgaya ifone wahamba wayokhipha imali ikhadi alisebenzi makabuye umjita yakhe so I felt like stupid because I know the story
yeah and you already had like some of the stories so you scare like you're supposed to be
you know umuntu uyasebenza you do anything and everything cabanga iphathi ukuthi imaphezulu kwesitini ungabheke esayidini abanthini and
this is crazy yeah
after 5 minutes
and then
so naminekazi ezansi abona amasokufika ifoways leyayilapha ezansi lapho shuthi bengibuya kungaka kusibuyile kube nomunye ubaba man athi ngayithola phi shop yokukhipha imali ne ngithi mina hayi mawuyalema kuleni phezulu bazokucharge mangabe ufuna icash bazokucharge so iseShoprite la ku-nearby khona shapu athi ngicela ukuthi uyongenzela ngithi shapu ngiyabuya ngiyolanda umngane wami shuthi ajabule shuthi another phone futhi athi hamba umlanda uzongithola hambe ngiyolanda umngane wami ngithi mani khona lo ufuna ukungithuma eShoprite so asihamba ungikhapha kube nalento ethi phathi ifoni yakho mani mase ngicofa yami uzobhoreka ngimtshela umngane wami ne shapu yehla sibuye ngoba asinikeze ikhadi and ayikho into eshoyo ukuthi manje no checka le khadi leli hayi asinike ikhadi athi manje nina nizonginikani ukuze ngimthembe ukuthi ngizobuya nemali yami sithi hayi ayikho into esiyiphethe thina esingakunika yona athi nanka amafoni sinike athi nina nizothatha le yami and ifoni yabona ne ayingeke basebenzisa umuthi kahle like sithonele yabona lama pouch lawa kudala lawo ifoni uyivala so ku yeah asiphe into enjalo efasile nekhadi ayimanthana mind you angikaze ngambone kasi mara ngivumile ukuthi ngimkhiphele imali asale namafoni 8 yami sihambe base sifika emazenkeni ngapha emazenkeni ayibuye manje iqolo ngana bathi ayina sichekana lento leni ukuthi ifoni namampela na masithi ayivuleki isona masikhoba ngapha ufake yabona lezi zinto uma uthenge maybe fridge or mattress lezi zinto ezimhlophe yeah ufake zona phakathi maka kuqinile ngathi ukusalotapeile manje ukuthi iqine ngazathi ifoni yeah mangibheka ikhadi yabona lento lesekhadini le yini le gold
yes
isukile sithola yini guys iroko sithola ufake nama chapha khumula beka la ngagijima so
ngene muva manje
sekho ukibela imoto yakhona you sorry akasho ngathi I believe yabona angiqonda awubikho ngaleso sikhathi cheka lento abakunika
that's why ungaba you know ungathatha stories kazongisa but sasungabuza usicheck bangishaya
Yeah, that's true.
You understand?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm a scammer man. I attend as a
most if you are interested in anything, once you are interested, you're gone.
Okay.
Then
I mean, I'm not about scammer.
yeah.
Gazi.
But how do you feel about abantu scammer?
Mina akafika umuntu nje aza ngithatha ama chance mina ngambonisa.
But like you are not aware. Yeah.
If scammer knows is aware and like hey or ushaya bomb akabi namandla. But once wafuna ukumamela
Ilento ngisho wena ukuthi once you listen, once you start listening for that few 5 seconds.
Namanje njengoba bazokushaya phone December this December 29 December like umjito ufike wangiganda yabo and ugande like ngendlela ebuhlungu and lenkathi ngimnaka ayikuthi ngikhulume naye ube like sorry ngendlela
ayinobhizi
lo akusuyo kuseshayo lo semuva wakhe uyo okhiphe iphone mina nginake lo sorry lo nzima lo and ngize ngithi ngifuna ukumbuza ukuthi manje ngoba wogande mina wazothi sorry kakhulu but ngiba like ay into zasejo
yeah
next thing I know akusena phone. So you want to give attention.
Yeah, once
if umuntu even usejozi uyazi ukuthi wena okapu ngalikhipha
and a very like you're mentioning something very important, especially town. Town when abantu banendlala too much. Once washayisa umuntu athi ether or athi whatever ungampay. Keep going.
Vast straight.
and the important corner.
Once wamshayisa ngisho even laba abathengisa impahla yabona like yabona njengabo Dunusa but not exactly about Dunusa. Yabona laba ngathi banamajinga ama fake ngathi zengwe kahle bana ukuthi when they sell you something bana enye ezingacacanga lana ne bayakufolda bayakhulumisa once wabheka eceleni lona ukunomunye uzomnikeza iplastic already leyingana what you have seen unikeza yona wena already now uyibonile ngithi uyibonile ifolder ifake iplastic in ayibopha mayafika endlini akusiyo lento
banjalo mina bake bashaya
nalabo abantu
siyabona iipika lezi ziconnecte ngebluetooth you know ejozi kunabantu abaningi bokuhamba like
ngiyashayisana
or uthenge kusasa you won't remember ukuthi ahambe ngathenga. So lo sister wasekasi makathenga uthenga ispeaker shows ukuthi vele sine fault because ibox lakhona mase kalichecka si ibhalwe like more red no cross uyabo so masifika siconnect speakers card atha kimi uhambe wrong ngiyayazi shop yakhe and wamlanda uthe mangafika lapha athi uthakazanga alona ovela wamnika esinye because uyazi yazi ukuthi uscam one of those people who maybe lo muntu ozabuya after 3 months eJozi and masekabuya ngeke asayazi nale shop le eze kuye kanti
those guys just be aware, especially when you are around town. Election is very rare ukuthi ungathola igame. It's either bazokuthola ku ATM or bazokunikeza imali fake athi or akhiphe imali athi awuna change imali aqeda kulona bakunikeza imali fake. Don't exchange any money.
Town, you know guys, most spanner, especially as a kitchen, experience a lot. Yazi la emalangeni ufika umunye baba phethe 2 leaf uzothenga amasoyise 15 rand 15 nge200 uya makafika kimi uzikhulumisa nefoni bafu keep it like ngiyayibona keep it 20 rand shothi uthe makathi 20 rand uyayibuyisela keep it 2 clip kanti thina sine
lento leyibonisa
mangifi fake ehlalele and mangithi kuyengicela ungishintshele athi wenze njani awuna shintshi like awuna shintshi ngathi wasuka wahamba wawashiya kanjalo angitshela
I know those kind of people those kind of people
even izolo just yesterday from usisi uyathenga into zakhe zenza 331 bazenza 331 le fake uyifake egcineni ama 100 rand e4 Oyeqaleni uqala wazenza ngathakana mali athi hayi ngicela ukhiphe irogo belenza 100 rand bathi ngicela ukhiphe irobo. So mangithi amphathi ngicela umvalele athi ayekela. I think bekangafuni attention yabantu abaningi because you notice if sibayithu kanti yena akazi ukuthi ngine money detector lapha. Makafika uyifake ngaphansi kwalawa amanye ama-R100 uthi ayiyekela uyanginikeza le 400. Ngithi awuna R1 ukuthi ngizomshintshela i-70 rand back instead of 69 rand. Athi uma ngifaka lapha mangithi ize leya uMandela urabeke nokurabeka lekho ngathi mina kwenza
because if ufaka la thina the time I was working a shop bekunento engathi iblunyana lapha mawuthi ishayinisa everything lapha once alone
ngathi impunga ngathi mina ngicela ushintshele ecaleni mina ngazi ukuthi akana mali nakuseka khipha ama-20 rand ngize ngacheka nalawa ama-20
and they must listen
and people should know ukuthi once eza kuyima ngayithola ishintsha because but ekugcineni once imali yami ihamba i-fidelity ifika ithathe yonke iyele once imali e-fidelity bathumela i-email ukuthi umuntu ushode ngemali so I count leya ukuthi bakushayile fake i-warning izakuwa ukuthi uyithatha kanjani fake une-money detector. You get so people don't know what they are really ruining our job.
I know, like it's crazy, bro. Like people must be careful out there. So the reason I was asking about like being scammed and everything.
When you go scam,
yes, I've been scammed before. A town. The timing. The timing can ukusebenza in security. I hated security by all. I was like, I rather work a shop. Than waiting by your name as a security sharp being sebenza as a yini bekuyi casual or something kwenye shop so beyivala shop
security
no casual kwenye shop so abo kimage bekunomnye umfana bathi kimage philo mpeli so beyasela banifone ukuthi kunomnye umjita la ufuna abantu bafuna isipani kanjani nami it was a phone scam as well. Ngazithatha mali lona bengisahlale eOrlando thatha ilona wami gone ngibele taxi ngafika ngayehla wamfonela lo mjidi ukuthi hey nangu umuntu ufikile kwasha kwecini bekuyini asekhumbula bekuyi Nokia what Nokia Luma or something right nyana Nokia khona so a touch so ngafika Kimage wamfonela umjita he's a good guy clean fake tie normal sahamba siyokuphi Carlton Center ngale ngapha kunama lift khona ngapha kunabo speeds ay fika hi guy uthi kunomnyesisi so this guy knows languages when I think he thought ukuthi I'm paid because Kimage phoned me now umpeli no mina ngumsonga switch on ring isonga manje so you become comfortable because now he is even speaking your language so now you are like I know this guy is a good guy phethene CV ngesandla fika lapha guy CV kunomyosisi lana phezulu efloor number by what usebenza what ungenzele time uyifuna etime wena ngiyifuni ngiyahamba manje nginikeza ifone how fast ngalinda lapha kuyeshaya 4 ngifike lapha around 12 that guy when exited maybe wabuya ngama steps athi nathi bar ngisalindile like umele moya phone voice mail vela die bayithathele nje la isena phone ngalinda until 4 ishopo beyivala 4:30 ngasuka ekhaya ngisethe ngagijima nge-Ilof yabona la kune speed con Ilof and in Brian Ilof kune speed con ngafika before ispeed bekune shop ethu lapha ngafika lapha ngangena Kimage phone yami call chief lo mjita lona mfonela uyazama ukumfonela umblokile uBakari wathi hayi shit shuthi lo mjita lona angakhona ukuthatha iKimage because iKimage uthe ayingibusy yabo yena wathi kufuneka abantu kuphi bathi ehotel afuneka abantu ehotel wena right lesilungu yasazi wena uyabona This guy is operating me.
Manipulate your mind.
He is operating me.
Yazi mina endlini wangena straight endlini.
Yeah.
Ngithi asi-Jared Lake angazi lesibini bekasola wangena endlini time lami likhona. And I think ubaba mufilile but because you know women when you want to have a woman like just know you are doomed for lifetime because you have to listen to whatever.
Hey bafazi.
Ngena ubudambe aqeda ukwenza like something like really big ukuthi bekahamba ama court case and stuff. Akafika and then mina even joked about icase yalo yakabhuti wami kulomjide ukuthi hayi umama mbekalele bamvusa bacela ngithi athi ufunani ngithi hayi bakubizela for athi sekayenzeni because ubhuti wami umuntu ostoli ngithi awuzama uphinde wayenza le nto le yabeka yenzile yabo umama mathuke then I was like hayi ngiyadlala azangichika ukuthi wawuzodlala ngento kanje uyaphuma uyakhuluma ukuthi hayi bafuna abantu epick it up connection so it's like manje ngisuke maybe you know los laba bangapha ngale khona so mangiza kuwe ngithi I know spanban you know ukuthi you are free ukuthi so yes athi hayi ngiqale lapha kanthapseni uthe indoda yakhe inayo amaphepha la eSouth Africa and stuff so uthengise la because wazi umfana like uguy uze ne story
he already operated the neighbors and whatnot
umama hayi yo ngajabula umntanami plus pick it up you know
ukuthi bayahola abantu
government after all and banama benefits umama majabule umama athi lo bhuti lo funeka 250 for ama boots those safety
safety boots
athi mabuza ubaba ngesponsor mabuza ngicela unikeze 250 ubaba anqabe like anqabe
anginayo
like anamali you know very well ukuthi unayo but ubaba like bekangafuni angazi for but bekangafuni lela langa lela mama sakwathi nike ngizokunika wara ngoba makhiphe le 250 uzama afike mawafika athamba naye baze bashaya naye lo baphume nalobhuti lona la kwamashi nakucaba musi ofike kwamashi lobhuti lo athi ngilindela ngoba le ijo sifaka abantu abazi lapha yani stuff ngayele 250 zobuya namabhuti ubhuti mawafika lapha umgayi 250 copy ye CV copy ID zobuya namabhuti angithi kon walini mafika
ayikho nje yo bro like yazi mabakushayile ngathi uDomunyana so I'm saying this because just imagine mina bengilele ulanda ungivuza ukuthi ngiyoscam nje for no reason so the reason I'm saying this is I saw the other one who bought a TV got the plug nje so guys we must be careful guys something because a lot of people bathanda into zama backdoor kunamateki backdoor kuna what guys
asco ukuthi mawushekele you know uyabona ama TV ama flat screen you can never fix that TV angeke ungithembe if akhona amathuba okulungisa i-flat screen maybe 2% or 1% bazokuscam to understand you will spend I feel like thina sinabantu abamnyama you rather spend 200 every week instead of paying 1,000 once like 1,000 iningi but also count imali uspendile fixing something it's worth even buying angazi last TV yini intsha khona you get the abantu abakwazi thina ekhava yena
nakhona I don't understand
it's sithole scam baqala basilungisela iTV only for isapatala 900 only for ukuthi TV sebenze 2 days after 2 days sabafuna bathi around the corner gone
namanje basase around the corner
after lapho sithola omunye wathatha iTV until this day angiyazi nokuthi yo TV iphila komuntu umhlaba aphiwe ne deposit naye athe 900
screen na man if flat screen mostly kusha ama group inside if I saw my group if iyashay on
yazi thina sekhaya yenza kanjani shothi bekuvuza bese ngaboni imvula bengiyana ngentambo le ntambo ishaye ku flat screen so angeke ngitshela ukuthi bekufeni
I got
But
you.
the thing is, you lose more money more than
To buy a new
Yeah.
TV. No man, guys, asihlukeleni nento ezi-cheap, nento ezi-quick. Na.
and then
Hamba.
shop no cross umuntu akushaya athi ngisebenza
And manje Nsako, like a similar thing yabona nje like Spanish shop, there will be someone who knows you, ne? Or uzofika kubulisa kanjani or just read the name tag athi nabo Nsako bayazi la. They're gonna shop abantu. Okay guys, don't forget guys, subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell every time we drop guys. You'll be notified. Now umuntu mfana.
bafethu stop sharing madimbu okay
Uthathiwe mfethu, uthathiwe.
Okay, go ahead.